It is time to do our last page of our All About Plants book because next week we're done talking about plants. All right, so we've done our cover, All About Plants. What talks about what plants need? They need sunlight, water, air, soil. Flip to the next page. We talked about plant parts. These are the seeds. This is the petal. This is the leaf. This is the stem. These are the roots, and it all is a flower. Good. We talked about the plant life cycle. It starts out as a seed that shoots down, grows into a seedling. That seedling grows into a big plant. On that plant there are buds, and those buds turn into flowers. Very good. And the flowers inside have seeds. Now, if you're outside and you see plants and you see a plant that has a bud on it, like right now I'm growing daisies in my backyard and some of my daisies are buds. They're not flowers yet. They're still in their buds. Take a picture of them. Send them to me. I'd love to see it. And then yesterday we did the plant vocabulary. Seeds, shoot, seedling, plant, leaves, bud, flower, stem, roots, soil. Good. So our last page, page 5, is going to be about what plants can, have, and need. And we did do an anchor chart of this, I think it was last week, so this is a refresher. All right, so let's get page 5 out, and then the page 5 word bank. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a word, and then we'll talk about if that's what a plant can do, if that's what plants have, or if it's something that plants need. Okay. So our first word is germinate. Germinate. And now remember, that's when the when the seed starts to grow down. So germinate. Plants can germinate. Very good. So that goes under can. And you'll notice it does have a matching part if you need it. Germinate. Okay, our next one is seeds. Is it plants can seeds, plants have seeds, or plants need seeds? Plants have seeds. Very good. That's something that they have. And then the last one that we have right now is air. Plants can air, plants have air, or plants need air. Plants need air. Excellent. All right, let me cut out the next row. All right, our next word is sprout. Sprout. Plants can sprout, plants have sprout, or plants need sprout. Plants can sprout. Very good. That's something that they can do. Good. Our next word is roots. Plants can roots, plants have roots, or plants need roots. Something they can, that's something they have, I'm sorry, yes. Plants have roots. Good. All right. Soil. Plants can soil, plants have soil, or plants need soil. Plants need soil. Very good. All right, let me cut out my next row. All right, grow. Plants can grow, plants have grow, or plants need grow. Plants can grow. Very good. You guys are doing amazing. All right. Stems. Plants can stems, plants have stems, plants need stems. Have. Very good. Plants have stems. Water. Plants can water, plants have water, or plants need water. That is something they need. Very good. All right. Blossom. Plants can blossom, plants have blossom, or plants need blossom. That's something that they can do, right? Those buds blossom into flowers, so that's something they can do. All right, next is leaves. Plants can leaves, plants have leaves, or plants need leaves. That's something they have. Very good. All right, last is sunlight. Plants can sunlight, plants have sunlight, or plants need sunlight. They need sunlight. Very good. Awesome job. We filled out our chart. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out. And remember, we're going to leave the number 5. So we're going to follow the dark black line, go up around the 5 so that it stays on the page. Okay, and keep cutting across, cut across. Awesome. Okay, so now here's how we're going to put it all together. So you have your book with 1, 2, 3, 4 with the cover on top. Put 5 behind. Oh, you know what? I don't have a stapler. So if you have a stapler at home, staple right here, and then your pages are together, which I just realized I actually don't have a stapler. So I'm going to use tape. I'm just going to take little pieces of tape, put this down, and I'm going to put it on the edge, half on the edge, like this, on the front, and then I'm going to fold it all the way over on the back, and I'm going to do that 2 more times. So I'll do it at the top, I'll do it in the middle, and I'll do it on the end. Alright. When we made these in schools, we would just staple them, but we're making it work. Alright, and now you have your book, all about plants. Plants need, whoops, it didn't work, that's okay. Plant parts, plant life cycle, plant vocabulary, and our plant learning. And then you could color this page as well. And your book, all about plants, is all done. You've made your own little book. Great job. I'm so proud of all of us for all of our learning that we did about plants. And this book shows everything you've learned. So you could show it to people. And I think people would be so proud of you for all that you've learned, because I am very proud of you. Take a picture of your book. Send it to me. Great job, friends.